Hi Taurians, this is your July 2022 reading. I'm going to look at this time period for you to understand your energies. These energies are coming in the form of tarot cards. I am going to interpret the meaning of these cards, and there will be a kind of narrative for you to understand how your energies are going to be impacted in various aspects of your life, whether it is your work, relationship, money, or deals, proposals, this, that, how it is going to be in this month of July. So let's see what is coming to you. What's coming to you is the Temperance card. So whatever is coming to you, you are going to find a skill to deal with it. You will be able to deal with it. You will be able to find a middle path. You will be able to navigate, negotiate at this time. There could be issues that you will be able to navigate and negotiate and reach a comfortable level at this time. You will be healing in health, healing in your love, healing in your business or money situation. You will be trying to make things work for you at this time. So the Hangman which you were in is coming in reverse. So basically you'll be coming out of a delay situation, coming out of a situation of obstacles, coming out of a situation of disagreement. Something was put on hold for you by the universe. This is the time to realize that either you have to put a break on something, end something, or you need to go with the flow. So basically at this time you cannot exercise your control, but gradually universe is showing you that because of your patience, because of your self sacrifice, you are reaching a situation which is going to feel free, which is going to make you free of your fetters that was putting obstacles on your path. So now you will be coming out of a situation of hangman, hanging in there, not doing anything. Things were not happening at the speed you wanted. So there is going to be a change in this situation. There could be a commitment, there could be a commitment and a new start. So some of you are getting a new job. So the Taurian is here already. Hierophant is the signifier of the sun sign of Taurus. So sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, anything, whatever is. If Taurus is prominent in your chart, you are coming in your element. You will be restorative. You will be finding the path, the method to go towards your new beginning. So some of you are going towards your new beginning with morality, ethics, and tradition. Some of you are upholding traditions while taking a leap of faith or a new start. Some of you are going to concentrate on family issues. Some of you will be dealing with family because Hierophant also signifies institution. So family, institution, work, which is connected with a higher institution. Some of you are religious, some of you are a teacher, some of you could be serving in the government or military or uniform service. So you would be putting lot of um, work towards restoring and putting in effort in your family or partnership situation. There will be a work towards commitment. That is what I am seeing, to gain great results or a happy home. Some of you are going to get to a reunison with someone. Some of you will be meeting your partner, lover. Some of you will be finding happiness in home. So you will be re-establishing or restoring a situation in terms of your relationship, family, commitments in life. Some of you are taking a new opportunity at this time. A new start will happen. You will be taking a leap of faith, but with lot of you will keep the past in your mind, and you will be learning your lessons and then taking a leap of faith. So going with the flow, with the hangman in reverse, you are going to get control over your delays and obstacles, going towards restoration, balance, and putting lot of effort in family, putting effort in a new home, in a home structure of a home. Or dealing with big institution like universities, like government organizations, like big multinationals. Some of you could be getting a higher position, some of you are getting out of a sabbatical or a hiatus, so you guys are going to get to a new situation. So the middle of your reading is Six of Pentacles, trying to balance generosity. Some of you will be receiving generosity from others, some of you will be giving, you will be generous towards others, some of you will get a loan funding at this time, some of you will be giving money or receiving money, gifts at this time. So beneficial time for you, time of monetary balance for you. Some of you will be dealing with a situation where you are a bit undecided what to do. Some of you will be weighing your options, what to do, whether to take up the travel, whether to take up this job, whether to be with this person, whether to go out and find a new person, whether to remain in this love life, or whether to get out of this situation. So, Two of Swords here is telling me there will be some delays in decision making, there will be a stalemate situation. You could be dealing with someone who is not talking to you, there is conflict in your environment, and you'll be wondering what to do. Some of you are going to leave anxieties behind. You are not going to spend your time in worrying about things which have not happened. Some of you are going to leave worries, leave situations that cause obstacles on your path. Some of you are wanting to be free. You will be, in a disadvantage. Some of you will be working very hard, but then it is time to get out of exhaustion. It is time to get out of to release your burdens at this time. Could be emotional or could be physical burden. Some of you could be in a place of disadvantage, so you will be trying to remove these tensions from life. Some of you are opening up to the world, looking at new options, trying to get out of situations that are conflicting or creating conflict around you, and you are going to do that finally. The Chariot card is telling me you will be focused and you will be determined to make your way towards your victory. So some of you will be triumphant in this triumphant energy, but a very hard working energy. You are going to defend your position, you are going to go towards your target with lot of focus. Nothing will be able to derail you. So the world is coming in the negative position. This can mean you are dealing with someone who is in a distance. This can mean someone is not communicating with you. This could be you could be in a long distance relationship and there is a weakness there, or there is a leveling up that has to happen in your relationship life, in your work situation, and it is not happening. Some closure is not happening, something is not moving forward. But I am seeing the Chariot, so there will be obstacles on your path, but if you let loose, you can just focus with your mind and you will be able to reach your targets. That is what angels are saying. So your outcome is thinking about the past, the sadness that you got, and thinking of issues that create sadness for you. You are going to get out of that. Angels are saying Page of Wands is coming, some new energies, some new motivation or a good news will come that will uplift your spirits. And Nine of Pentacles is telling me monetarily or physically, in your physical world, you will have success. You will have success in your job, you will have success in your living situation. All your efforts, that the Hangman is saying that you had sacrificed your time, money, effort, or you were not able to move forward. Some of you were not well, some of you were kept in a were sidelined. Some of you could not achieve your targets, but in the month of July you will be able to release all that and come to a situation where you will accomplish something, become self sufficient in terms of your money abundance and your lives. So this is the mini empress situation. You will be reaching that, you will be enjoying what you have earned so far, and you will be relaxing. So that is your outcome. So, what is your advice? Advice is keep toxicity at bay. Keep toxicity at bay. Keep, addictions at bay. Keep, depression at bay. So, you need to get out of the energy of disconnect, boredom, apathy, obsession, and things that are negative in your life. Stop thinking about the heartbreak that took place long back or in the recent past. You have to stop thinking of that. Stop thinking that you lose all the time. You have to think of the things that are coming ahead. Some of you need to leave this situation which is toxic, and you have to make way for your next goal. So your emotional goal is lying somewhere out there, so you have to look for it. You cannot remain in a circumstance that is not making you happy. So something that makes you sad, something that shackles you, you have to leave all that and go towards some place. Some of you could be taking with the chariot and the eight of cups. A journey is definite at this time. A fast forward movement is definite at this time in the month of July. Queen of Wands is telling me opportunities will be good. You will have the go getter energy, and you will be the center of attraction at this time. Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Wands is telling me both these energies will combine with you, and you will be a go getter, grabbing an opportunity, grabbing a situation. You could be, in this unconditional role of providing for your family, keeping them good, safe. You could be having a great career, earning money. So, some of you are having the qualities of Queen of Wand and Queen of Swords. Some of you could be having a fire sign in your chart. So fire and earth will come together and go towards a situation that is achievable, that is winnable, that is something which you will achieve. So there is a sense of achievement at this time. However, world is in the weakness position, so this means that, mm, if you do not do effort, you will not be able to make that big name, fame, that level up in your love, that level up in your money. You need to work for it, you need to go for it, you need to take that opportunity, or get out of your hangman situation, get out of your self sacrifice mode, and you'll be able to go towards what you want to achieve. Get out of sadness. If something was causing trouble, get out of that, leave that situation. You don't need to keep on being in a heartbreak situation. So the temperance card is what will guide you. You will be able to negotiate, navigate pain, heartbreak, sadness, and go towards situations that are comforting, that are healing at this time. So the month of July will bring in good results for you. Definitely achievement is on the cards. So, Taurians, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues in their life can contact me for personal readings, but these readings are prepaid, pre booked, and pre slotted. So, make up your mind and then come to me. Write in a request in the comment box. I will tell you how to book my readings. People who are coming back to my channel again and again, I thank you all. Subscribe, share, and like my readings. That will help me grow as a channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.